In this video, let's learn how to divide 430 by 2 using the long division method. We know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 3 beside this number 0. We know that this is the number 3. So remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 430 divided by 2 is equal to 215. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.